another video. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, smash that like button. Let's get this channel to the next level. I'm going to keep giving you guys fun, exciting content. Today's video is pretty much going to be my follow-up on the Sprint booster. I know a lot of individuals saw my previous video, so I just want to kind of give my, I think it's fair when you do any mod to do a follow-up review for the people who are new to the channel or who have questions. So this is just going to be a little ride along to just kind of show you what it's doing for me and how I feel about it. So first and foremost, it's a great cheap mod. I definitely get a lot more torque. My 0 to 60 times have improved. It's a really good tool to move quicker in your vehicle. However, if you have a vehicle that is really quick or powerful, if you don't have the right tires, you can get a lot of wheel spin. So me being a normal guy, when I got the Sprint booster, I put it on race mode on 9. So what I found myself is in the situation where I was spinning a lot, I wasn't getting enough traction on my vehicle. And for example, if you're getting ready to launch a race, even if you have a 1,000 horsepower car and you're up against a 300 horsepower car, if you spin half the way, it defeats the purpose in you even racing. So the goal in racing, or the goal in getting your car quicker and getting better times, is ensuring you have the right tires that can grip. You're not spinning, finding a happy medium. And my happy medium is sport mode, number 5. Because when I put it in race mode, I was kind of spinning for a millisecond before I launched. And in this sport mode, my car hooks and goes immediately. So in race mode, it's and before that, it's the lag. And this one is, it just kind of grips and takes off. So I'm going to give you guys a few examples of what I'm talking about. I'm going to do a couple of pulls so you guys can kind of get a more personal vibe other than me telling you. So yeah, I'm going to do a couple pulls. Stay with me. Hope you guys liked the last video. Let's see. I always try to keep it safe. The only time I do test runs is on back roads and if it's clear traffic. You definitely want to look out for other people in their daily commutes. So just FYI. So you see it's kind of gripping and going. I don't have my water myth on right now. Put it on a little bit. I like to see how it feels before the water myth and after the water myth. It just kind of gives me a better perspective of my vehicle. And bumpy road, I'll tell you, those back roads eat your tires alive. Alright, let's see. Before, my car kind of was laggy. Okay, I have a turbo vehicle. It's turbo lag. I started looking into anti-lag systems. I started looking into two-steps, but man, the anti-lags and the two-steps, one, they're too loud. Two, they destroy your turbo. And I said, man, it has to be a way. So I just really started researching how I can get better throttle response, and just, I thought about upgrading to the VR, a bigger throttle body. That didn't work. I really couldn't find anything. People were saying they could swap it for the V6 one, and it comes in the Audi A3 RS3, but no one saw any real gains. And the plug was different, so I didn't want to go through that technical mess. So I just said, I started just really researching, and I saw Sprint booster, pedal commander. I think they're all ideally the same. I chose Sprint booster because it's a lot smaller, so I felt that worked better for me. So they're gonna pull. pushing some power, it's almost impossible not to spin, but the goal is to try to spin as little as possible. I don't want to go down anymore on my on my sprint booster on sport mode to where I'm losing that power. I think I'm at a happy medium. The road that I was driving on had a little bit of gravel, so I would definitely say I'm at a safe, happy point. This is like a dirty road. See, it's like, I don't know if you guys can feel what I feel or see what I see, but my car's just going. There's no and go. It's just going. It's just hooking and going, and it's crazy. And I'm starting to learn this, man. Like, a freaking tire can make your car feel like a totally different vehicle, man. It's like, when you think about it, let's say you're crawling and you're doing pull-ups. When you're doing pull-ups or you're crawling, let's say you're using your hands only, you're getting all of that strength and all of that traction from your tires. It's like your tires are grabbing the ground and just kind of leaping you forward. So if you don't have good tires on your car and you're moving quick, you're missing out on a lot, man. I'm starting to learn so much about tires. Before that, I really wasn't big on tires. I was all about brand and just different things like that. But now I'm starting to learn, man, the right tire for your setup will get you an extra second and make you that much quicker, man. So yeah, I guess I'll do a couple more pulls. Traffic right now. Here we go. You see how my car is just like, it keeps catching. So yeah, man, the throttle response is definitely there. I took it off and put it on stock mode. Now I don't want to go back to stock mode. I feel like it's like the new anti-lag. I mean, you know, like I said before, it eliminates the lag in the communication to your throttle body, and it makes you feel like you have an old school kind of throttle body that's connected with, you know, a wire, you know. So I definitely recommend it. It's working wonders for me. If you're modded and you're trying to get quicker, you know, spool times, if you're trying to just move quicker, this is the tool for you. Like I said, it doesn't add horsepower. It just gets you to your destination quick. Yeah, man. So I just want to give you guys an update. I definitely recommend Sprint Booster, Pedal Commander. I'm personally with Sprint Booster, but I've been hearing that they're doing kind of the same thing. So if you want a affordable mod to your vehicle to bring your vehicle to life, whether you have a tune or not, I definitely would say go for it. You know, like I said in my previous video, the Sprint Booster and Pedal Commander alone will put you in a position where you feel like you have like a tune. I think it's comparable to getting a race chip. You know, if you guys didn't know, a race chip is kind of like, gives your car about 50-60 extra horsepower from the traditional set. It's like a extreme sport mode. I know a lot of people who are on a budget utilize a race chip, and I understand that everyone is not on the same level financially. Some people got to pay for school, tuition, kids, you know. So my channel is just to show you from different levels what you can do from a affordable perspective to the, you know, all out perspective. So yeah, it's pretty much it, guys. Peace out. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, mash that like button.